Welcome once again to the Lovespoon Workshop, and this is our latest presentation. Very important Lovespoon, this one is for a very important guy. It's for the one and only Celtic Guy, St Fagans' very own Mr. Ian Daniel. And it's a special Lovespoon that we've made to celebrate his 40th birthday. So from all of us here at the Lovespoon Workshop, a very happy birthday to the one and only Celtic Guy. Now, because we were making this Lovespoon for the Celtic Guy, we thought that it would be appropriate to use a local timber sourced here in Wales. Probably the most plentiful wood that is available to us in our local area is ash. And in fact, on site here at the Lovespoon Workshop, we have numerous ash trees. Unfortunately, in recent times, we have noticed that these trees, they are being affected by an issue known as ash dieback, and increasingly we do have concerns for the ash tree for the future. So this Lovespoon being made in ash, there is a chance that in the future it will become increasingly rare and more difficult for us to be able to source. You might have noticed from the footage that the main feature of this bespoke Lovespoon project is a castle. We've been reliably informed that the Celtic Guy himself, he has a real passion for castles. That was why we chose it as the central feature of this bespoke Lovespoon. So there you have it. That is our completed bespoke Lovespoon. Made for the Celtic Guy. Always great to be able to make a Lovespoon for somebody that you know. It allows us to put more of a story into the spoon itself. You can share more of a little message, and that is basically what the Lovespoon is all about for us, is to tell a story and to share a message. So that was our Lovespoon made to celebrate the birthday of the Celtic Guy. We hope you've all enjoyed seeing this bespoke Lovespoon being made. And don't forget, we'll be back again soon with more bespoke Lovespoon projects.